Hi, I'm Bethany Cherry with Expert Village, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this German chocolate cake. So the ingredients that we're going to be using for the German chocolate cake are a half a cup of water, 1 bar of sweet cooking chocolate, 1 cup of butter or margarine, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2½ cups of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of buttermilk. You don't have to use cake flour if you don't have it or you don't know what it is. You can use all-purpose flour. The difference between the two is just that cake flour is more fine, and so if you just sift all-purpose flour a couple of times, it will work the same. And if you don't have a sifter, you can just use a wire whisk and it will do the same thing.